In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old messages in Slack. By the end, you'll be able to quickly track down past conversations using Slack's built-in search, whether you're looking across your whole workspace or inside a specific direct message. First, start from your Slack home. Open Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the main view, where you can see your channels and direct messages on the left. This keeps everything in one place and makes the next steps easy to follow. Now, use Slack's global search. At the very top of the app, click the search bar. Type a keyword or phrase you remember from the message, then press Enter to see results. You'll land on a results page that shows messages and files. Focus on messages for text you're trying to recover. To narrow things down, use the filters available in the search results. You can limit by person, channel, and date range. A few helpful tips. Put an exact phrase in quotes for precise matches and use search modifiers like from, followed by a teammate's name, in, followed by a channel or DM, and before, or after, with a date to target a specific time frame. For example, budget update in/marketing before 2025-01/01 will pull older mentions in that channel. If you don't find what you need on the first try, adjust your keywords, check the Files tab if it might be in a document, and apply or clear filters to broaden or tighten the scope. If you know the conversation happened in a direct message, head to the DM section on the left panel. Expand it and open the one-on-one or small group where the message likely lives. This helps you focus on a single conversation instead of the entire workspace. With that DM open, click the search bar again and run your search. You can include the in modifier for the current conversation to keep results scoped to that DM, and combine it with from and date filters to zero in on older exchanges. When results appear, look for the option to view only messages in this conversation if you need to refine further. Skim the previews, open the matching message, and use the context around it to confirm you've found the right thread. A quick note. Depending on your workspace's retention settings or plan, very old messages might not be available. If something seems missing, try alternate keywords or a broader date range. That's it. Use the global search for a wide sweep, or jump into DMs first when you know where to look, and refine with filters and phrases to surface old messages fast.